Now we will discuss about the defects of eye. Before that, I have told you about the human eye and the necessary parts of the human eye, and now I will tell you the defects. Uh, yeah, you have seen that sometimes the object which is near to us is not clearly visible, and far objects are also not clearly visible, and there are so many this defect that causes in the eye. This is also according to the age, or there is some flexibility which is not maintained in the eye. So either by increasing the age, or by some our eating habits also affect these eye defects. There are certain eye diseases, so that we are not talking about the eye diseases. The eye defects are of four kinds: myopia, and that hypermetropia, presbyopia, and astigmatism. These are the defects which can be removed by using the lens of the suitable focal length. But the eye diseases like the night blindness, glaucoma, cataract, that cannot be removed by using the lens. So they need the medical treatment. So now I am taking the eye defects. So first is the myopia. Myopia or nearsightedness, or nearsightedness. Now in this defect, the near objects are clearly visible to us, but far objects are not clearly visible. When far objects are not clearly visible to eye, while near objects are visible. It is called this defect is called myopia. Myopia. Actually, in this case, the image is formed before the retina. This is not on the retina. The image formed is before retina. Now, what are its causes? Its cause is that the distance between the retina and the eye lens has increased, or we can say that the focal length of the lens has decreased. Cause. distance between focal length of eye lens is reduced. So now what we do, that we use a suitable concave lens, because concave lens spreads the light rays, so the image is formed on the retina. Now its removal, or its remedy. Concave lens of suitable focal length. Suitable focal length is used. तो हम इसमें क्या करते हैं, जैसे आपका ये आई लेंस है. Now this we are having the eye. Now this is like this one, and here is the lens. This is now lens. So the light is coming from far objects. Coming from far objects. This is now retina. This is now retina. Then what happens, that these light rays this is now focus. So they all focus at this point. This is now image. This is now far. The light is coming from the far objects. They are parallel and they are focused at this point. So this is between the retina and the lens. And now if we use a convex lens, concave lens. This is now suppose you have concave lens. Then this will spread the light rays. In this way. So now image will be formed at this point. So now it has spread the light rays so that the image is formed on the retina. So after using this lens, we have the image on the retina. So this is concave lens. Concave lens. So now we can have that this 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. So when U is at infinity, for U equal to infinity, now this V is equal to F. So this decides the focal length of the lens. So this so much focal length should be used of this lens, so that the image is formed on the retina. And now number 2. hypermetropia or long-sightedness. Long-sightedness. So what happens? This is just opposite to this myopia. In this myopia, the near objects are visible, but far objects are not visible. And in this, the near objects in this hypermetropia, the near objects are not visible, but far objects are visible. In this defect of eye, the near objects are not visible, but far objects are clearly visible. तो इसमें होता क्या है कि दैट द इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड जस्ट बिहाइंड द रेटिना. The image formed by eyelids is backside of retina. So it means that the distance between the focal length of the lens has increased. This is now cos of this one. Increase of focal length of eyelids. फोकल लेंथ बढ़ जाती है तो जो इमेज होती है वो रेटिना के ठीक पीछे होती है. तो इसका रिमूवल क्या है, इसका जो रेमेडी क्या है इसकी, convex lens of suitable focal length is used. तो अब इसमें हम देखेंगे ये जो इसमें आपकी इस तरह से ये आई है, ये इसका प्रकाश नाड़ियाँ हैं और यहाँ पर ये लेंस है. So now this is a near object and the light rays coming from this one are like this, and these light rays condense at this point. Here they make the image. ये इसका यहाँ पर रेटिना है, रेटिना. तो रेटिना के ठीक पीछे की तरफ ये इमेज बनती है. तो अब इसमें हम एक सूटेबल कॉन्वेक्स लेंस यूज करते हैं. यहाँ पर if we use a convex lens like this, then this will condense to this. So this image will be found on the retina. So now this is clearly visible. So we use the lens, convex lens of suitable focal length. So the light rays which are being converged at just on the back side of the retina, they will be just on the retina. And now third effect is presbyopia. Presbyopia. तो presbyopia में क्या होता है कि the objects which are near or away from the eye are not clearly visible. So both kinds of the myopia and hypermetropia are present in this case. Neither near objects nor far objects are visible to eye. So we use this is because the fluctuation of the focal length is not proper. Now its cause is the focal length of eyelash is not does not change properly. So the its remedy is a bifocal lens is used. Bifocal lens is used. तो उसमें क्या है कि जैसे हमें नियर ऑब्जेक्ट्स देखने हैं तो हम नीचे एक कॉन्वेक्स लेंस लगाएंगे और ऊपर कॉनकेव लेंस लगाएंगे. तो इसमें जो पार्ट्स होते हैं वो लेंस में इस तरीके से होते हैं कि ये इसमें आपका ये लेंस है और इसके ऊपर का जो लेंस होता है वो इस तरीके का होता है। दिस इज नाउ बाइफोकल लेंस। सो अपर पार्ट इज कॉनकेव एंड लोअर पार्ट इज कॉन्वेक्स। Convex lens, and this is concave lens. So this combination of lenses is used for this press myopia. And now fourth is astigmatism. Astigmatism. तो astigmatism में क्या होता है? That only a part of object is visible. Only a part of object is visible. So this lower part or medium part or that the upper part is visible, remaining are not visible. It means that the image is blurred and this is cannot be distinguished. Whose image is formed on retina. The image is blurred and wavy, just like a wave. ये टेढ़ी मेढ़ी दिखती है, वस्तु टेढ़ी मेढ़ी दिखती है, ऑब्जेक्ट इज नॉट क्लियरली विजिबल। और इसका कॉज क्या है ना? व्हाट इज द cause that is the eye, the cornea is not perfectly spherical. Cornea not spherical. जब ऐसा होता है तो ये एस्टिग्मेटिज्म आ जाता है। तो इसकी रेमेडी क्या है? करते हैं ना रेमेडी। सो फॉर दैट वी यूज ए सिलिंड्रिकल लेंस। यूज ऑफ सिलिंड्रिकल लेंस। तो सिलिंड्रिकल लेंस क्या है? ये बनाए जाते हैं ना, जैसे आपका ये यहाँ पर लेंस है, तो ये यहाँ पर इस तरीके से ऐसे कट लगा दिए जाते हैं, तो ये सिलिंड्रिकल लेंस होता है। ये सिलिंड्रिकल लेंस होता है। तो सर्कुलर कट होते हैं लेंस के अंदर। सो द ऑब्जेक्ट इज क्लियर विजिबल, दिस इज नॉट द ब्लड वन। सो दिस काइंड ऑफ लेंस इज यूज्ड इन केस ऑफ एस्टिग्मेटिज्म। There are other, these are the main defects which can be removed by using the lens. So they are called the defects. These are not the diseases. Diseases are the another thing which are caused due to the lack of vitamins and the eating habits. So that affects the eyelids. So when there are such things that can be removed by using the lens, that is called the defect of the eye. So this is what they also asked in the examination, that if suppose you are giving the press by this hypermetropia or press myopia, then objects is given at this distance, then what should be the focal length of the required lens, so that you have to calculate. So you all like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you very much.